Welcome back to English Native, where we make English come alive. We have been loving your support, and we look forward to your continued support. Still, we want to reach as many people as possible with your help. So, subscribe now to our channel, share all our videos with your families and friends, and hit that notification bell. Our aim is to get at least 5,000 viewers with your help. So share our videos. After which, the vocabulary revolution will then begin because we'll explore morphology, syntax, and phonological awareness, which is a fancy way of saying grammar, sentences, and sound awareness. Please also bear in mind, guys, that this is a free channel, but if you wish to make a contribution to our work, please feel free to do so and use the link in our description below. Aeroplane, British English. Airplane, American English. Noun, a powered flying vehicle with fixed wings. Example, in an airplane you can see the ocean from the sky. Ballerina, noun, a principal female dancer in a ballet company. Example, the ballerina danced beautifully. Country, noun, the territory of a nation. Example, Canada is a really safe country. Deforestation, noun, the clearing, cutting down, or divesting of forests or trees. Example, the animals are losing their homes because of deforestation. Extinction, noun, the fact or condition of being extinguished, coming to an end or dying out. Example, the extinction of animals are very alarming. Famous, adjective, having a widespread reputation, usually of a favorable nature. Renowned, celebrated. Example, the musician is very famous. Gas, noun, a substance possessing perfect molecular mobility and the property of indefinite expansion as opposed to a solid or liquid. Example, I cook my dinner using the gas in my stove. Headlines, noun, the largest heading on the front page of a newspaper, usually at the top. Example, the news headline has been consistently about the virus. Introduction, noun, a formal personal presentation of one's person to another or others. Example, before starting my presentation, I always provide an introduction. Journalist, noun, a person who practices the occupation or profession of journalism. Example, I always wanted to become a journalist. Kingdom, noun, a state or government having a king or queen as its head. Example, the United Kingdom includes 4 countries. Lucky, adjective, having or marked by good luck. Fortunate. Example, this is my lucky shirt. Mountain, noun, a natural elevation of the Earth's surface, rising more or less abruptly to a summit, and attaining an altitude greater than that of a hill. Example, my friends and I hike a mountain every week. Native, adjective, the place or environment in which a person was born or a thing came into being. Example, I am a native of Jamaica. Order, verb, to direct or command to go or come as specified. Example, the soldiers were ordered to help the people. Phone, noun, a portable electronic telephone device like a cell phone, mobile phone, or smartphone. Example, I use a phone to call my friends and family. Quiz, noun, an informal test or examination. Example, the teacher is going to give us a pop quiz. Race, verb, to engage or participate in a contest of speed. Example, the fastest horse always wins the race. Species, noun, a class of life having some common characteristics or qualities. Distinct sort or kind. Example, the human species have remarkable cognitive functions. Tariff, noun, an official list or table showing the duties or customs imposed by a government on imports or exports. Tax. Example, the tariffs must be paid to export goods. United. Adjective, working together or caused to act as a single entity. Example, the countries of the UN are united in their search for peace. Venom, noun, poisonous fluid that some animals like snakes and spiders secretes and introduce into the bodies of their victims by biting, stinging, etc. Example, the venom of the king cobra snake is deadly. Waterfall, noun, a steep fall or flow of water in a watercourse from a height or over a precipice, cascade. Example, the Kayatur Fall is an incredibly beautiful waterfall. Xenon, noun, a heavy, colorless, and relatively inert or unmoving gaseous element that is used especially in specialized electric lamps. Example, the xenon gas is used in ultraviolet lighting. Yacht, noun, a vessel, boat used for private cruising, racing, or other non-commercial purposes. Example, yachts are extremely expensive. Zealous, adjective, being eager and enthusiastic for an activity, passionately active, devoted, or diligent. Example, my teacher was very zealous. We're at the end of our video for today, guys, but it was awesome having you going through our vocabulary list. Remember now that practice makes perfect, so you have to practice your vocabulary words. Also, remember that our work is free, but if you'd like to support our work, please contribute using the link in the description below. Again, guys, thank you so much and continue to make learning fun. Remember also to subscribe to our channel, to share our videos, and to give us a like if you enjoyed our video.